Let me show you how to make such motion blur on font using gradient map in Photoshop. Create new document. Follow these artboard settings. Select Type tool. Left-click to insert. Press Ctrl+T and resize the text. Double-click on text to select it. I am using a Cara expanded super bold font. Type text as you wish. Press Ctrl+T and place the text at center. Hold Alt key to equally resize the text. Then go to Filter. From Blur select Gaussian Blur. Convert text layer to Smart Object. Keep radius to 4 pixels. Again go to Filter. From Noise select Median. Keep radius to 8 pixels. Now from Filter select Blur Gallery. From that select Tilt Shift. Follow the process as shown. Rotate circle clockwise to increase blur effect. You can also set up blur from here. Keep blur to 360 pixels. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Hide bottom layer. Select top layer. Right-click on it and convert it into Smart Object. Using rectangular marquee tool, select the upper portion as shown. Make sure to select little bit portion of text. Then press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Similarly, create a copy on bottom portion. Select top layer. Zoom out using Alt key and scroll. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Using Shift key, stretch it upwards. Similarly, follow the process to bottom portion. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to screen. Using Shift key, select these 3 layers. Right-click and merge these layers. Then add clipping mask. Make sure to select black as foreground color. Then select Brush tool. Using Alt key, drag mouse left-right to increase or decrease brush size. And drag up and down to increase or decrease its thickness. Place the brush on line out portion, right-click. Then place brush at the end of text, hold Shift key and left-click to remove that sharp line. Similarly, follow this on bottom of the text. Clear out in between text. Unhide below layer. Change foreground color to white. Using brush tool, start brushing on these area to connect blur effect with text. Follow the process. After completing this process, from adjustment layer add gradient map. Drag white in between. Hold Alt key and drag black color to another end. Now start adding colors as you wish. You can follow these colors as well. Our text with motion blur effect is ready. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other text effect tutorials.